Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert voice recordings into text in Android 9, 10 and 11 having smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open any web browser and you need to search this application in the Google. So search this Google Recorder APK. So when you search the application, so you will get some websites. I'll highly recommend to use this website apkmirror.com, as it is free from any virus or malware. So it's a trustworthy website. Just tap on it and visit this website. So you can see its web page. So here you will get a tons of Google Recorder versions. So if you're using Android 9, then I will highly recommend to use the older Google Recorder versions like this one, Google Recorder 1. And if you're using Android 10 or 11 version, then you can use the newer versions. So let me show you. If you're using Android 10 or 11 versions, you can select those newer versions. So here, let me show you before downloading. Here you can see here. These latest versions are mainly for Android 10 and 11 or higher versions. So if you download this version and install in your Android 9 Android smartphones, then it may not support. So if you're using an Android 9 versions, then you can use the older version. So let me show you. Just tap on it, and so here you can see available APKs. Just scroll down below. So here you can see this version is available for Android 9 and above version. So this version will work for Android 9 too. So if you're having Android 9, then you download these versions, and if you're having Android 10 and Android 11, then you can download the latest versions. So you download and install it by tapping here. So you just scroll down. As you can see now, download APK. As I've already downloaded and installed it in my Android smartphone, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. So after installing, what you need to do, you need to search or open this application named as Google Recorder. So let me search. So I'll just launch it. So you can see its user interface. So it's very simple one. So here you can see a record button. So let me try to record. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. So once you're done, you can just pause it and you can click on save. So let me delete this and just try to record again. So let me record it again. Hello everyone, I'm testing this Google Recorder software. So once you're done, you can just save it, or you can resume it by pausing again. So let me save it. So here you can see voice recordings. So below here you can see in the right side, it's written transcribe. Just tap on it. So you will get what I have been said now. It's auto translating your voice recording into a text file. So here you can see what I have speak, and you can play and listen also. And later, once you are saved, you need to save it in the online storage like a Google Drive. So there is no options for locally saving this audio recording or the voice recording options for these applications right now. So you need to upload it in your Google Drive account to save it locally. So this is the very useful software if you're in a need of converting your voice recordings into text, just like having not to write or not to type those voice recording into text. So if you need in such applications, then download it today. And the good thing is that it's totally free of course, and it's from by the Google itself. So Download it today and try it yourself, and if you find any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.